I want to speak to very briefly the services that we offer. We have a slogan that we use that Pursuit of Excellence offers hope to business and industry worldwide, where HOPE stands for HR, Organizational Design Development, Payroll, and Employee Services. So we're going to dive into those for the next few minutes so you understand the breadth of services and capability. First of all, there are three major kinds of services we offer: audit, consulting, and outsourcing. And all of that is offered along these four service lines. If you have a PDF that was sent to you, it should look like this. It has 4 blocks. It's our capability statement. Or if you're here, you can reference this. We'll go over this real quick. What Pursuit of Excellence has done is it's recognized that within any business, there is what we call the enterprise architectural stack: people, process, technology, information, facilities, materials. And of all of those layers, the people layer has the most expense and it has the most cost and risk associated with it. So as a consulting organization, we've specialized in addressing people-related issues within a business. So human resources is everything from audit and compliance to outsourcing and consulting. Within the organizational design space, we offer leadership development, mandatory training, and other types of developmental training. We also do organizational design consulting, which is a top-down review of the organizational framework, such as job descriptions and capabilities and competencies. And in the payroll arena, we offer a variety of solutions that include audit, compliance, as well as we offer a professional employer organization solution that allows for small businesses to put their employees on our federal ID and us to provide a staff leasing option. And then finally, the employee services or employee lifecycle management category is everything from staffing to benefits administration. So whether we're talking about HR, organizational design, payroll, or employee services, there is 4 essential levels of work. We have transactional work at the lowest level. That's the stuff that's frequently outsourced, processing. And then there is tactical work, which is usually compliance related. And then at a higher level and of greater value is transformational work. It's usually project-based. If an organization has paper-based applications for applicants and they're moving to an online applicant tracking system, the implementation of that ATS would be an example of transformational work. And then finally, at the very highest level, strategic work, where we come in and we help align the talent with the organizational goals and objectives. So there's essentially 3 dimensions that I want you to visualize. The 4 lines of service, HOPE, are around 3 types of services: audit, consulting, and outsourcing. And then finally, 4 different levels of work: transactional, tactical, transformational, and strategic. The other thing you might want to know is that we have a unique organizational model because we have to have team members with all those capabilities within our corporation because we don't know what our clients are going to need. Depending on the client situation, they may need transformational work or they may want to outsource transactional work. So we have to have team members that cover that entire matrix of capability. But we also use frequently 1099 contractors as an extension of our enterprise, where particularly if something's project-based, there's people that have skills and abilities that we draw on. So there may be somebody who's listening to this or here that recognizes maybe this isn't a good fit for you professionally, but you have some skills as a subject matter expert and you want to be able to be available for project work on an ongoing basis. We do that as well. We also have what we call our POE partner program. This is typically for folks that want to be more in a client-facing or business development role where they are out doing audit and consulting and designing solutions for the customer, but they're not required to deliver the services. We actually handle that on their behalf. So in a sense, they become like an independent representative of Pursuit of Excellence. And for folks that are at the high point of their career and they've got C-level communication capabilities and executive presence, and they've always wanted to go into HR consulting, it's a lot better to franchise with us and use our model than it would be to build everything from scratch. And that's something that we've built and we offer to folks that have an interest in that. So we have team members internally within our corporate environment that offer all these capabilities. We've got folks that we embed into client operations, and they're on the client site. And then we've got 1099 partners, and then we have POE partners that act as independent representatives. So that is a very, very unique organizational model. After 21 years in this industry, I can tell you I've never quite seen anything like that. But what it does is it provides tremendous breadth of opportunity for individuals that want to grow and develop in this industry and work directly with clients.